Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the bee in your bee tree in Garden game of Roblox BCB update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, you will have the bee tree in your garden, and let's say that your bee tree slot is already full, but you don't want to upgrade your bee capacity. If you want to replace it, no worries guys. In this video, I'll show you how you can do that. First, you're going to choose the bee that you want to replace. For example, I'm going to replace this bee. This is from common egg, so I'm going to replace it with better bee. I'm going to replace it with the rare bee. The bee from the rare egg. So we just need to click on the bee that we want to replace like this. And as you can see, you will have option to replace the bee. Slot 15 is occupied by a bee. Replacing will permanently remove this bee. And I'm just going to click on confirm. Okay, and now the bee in this slot has been replaced. And I'm going to replace this one as well. The bee with a rare bee egg. Okay guys, and that's how you can replace bee in your bee tree in Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.